Let's create.
Sony calls this their entry point into real cinema cameras. I wanted to find out if that's marketing or if it's actually true. This is the Sony FX30, the entry-level model in Sony's cinema line, essentially a smaller sensor version of their much pricier FX3, built specifically for people making video, not taking photos. No viewfinder, no traditional grip. This is built boxy on purpose, with mounting points built directly into the body, so you can rig it for a gimbal or shoulder setup without needing a separate cage. The sensor oversamples from 6K down to 4K, which means real detail, not upscaled softness. And with over 14 stops of dynamic range using S-Log3, there's a genuine amount of room to grade footage in post. This is where the camera earns the cinema line name.
Real-time IAF keeps focus locked even in a fast walk and talk, and the 5-axis in-body stabilization is genuinely good enough. Active mode pushes that even further.
Here's the honest part. There's no mechanical shutter, no continuous still shooting, no uncompressed raw photo option. If you're buying this thinking it doubles as a serious photography camera, it doesn't. Sony built this for video, full stop. Dual card slots for redundancy, timecode sync for multi-camera shoots, and full XLR audio support with the optional handle unit. These are genuinely professional production features at a price most solo creators can actually reach. This camera makes sense for someone who's serious about video production specifically. Independent filmmakers, wedding videographers, creators who've outgrown a hybrid camera and need real cinema tools without a cinema camera budget. Is this the cheapest real entry into Sony's cinema line? Yes. Is it a good photography camera? Not even close, and it was never trying to be. Know what you're buying it for, and it delivers. Link to the exact one I used is below.